Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify and unplug the hard drive assembly. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Unplug the disk drive cage cables and remove the screw. Slide the cage out of the system and flip it over. Disconnect the cables and remove the cage from the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system and tighten the screw. Put the disk drive cage in the system and reconnect the cables. Flip the cage over and secure it with the screw. Plug in the cables. Place the hard drive assembly in the system, install the 2 screws, and reconnect the cables. Relatch the front bezel and secure the side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.